Hi, today's topic is genic balance theory from class 12 genetics, means principles of inheritance and variations. In this genic balance theory, this was proposed by Kelvin Bridges. Genic balance theory this theory was given by Kelvin Bridges in the year of 1926. He stated that actually that sex determination takes place by influence of XY chromosomes. Instead of that, he states that X chromosome and autosome, instead of XY chromosomes, he stated that ratio of X and autosomes. Sex determination usually determined by the presence of XY chromosomes. Instead of that, sex determination will be determined by the ratio of X and autosome. It means allosome and autosome ratio. Ratio of autosome and allosome. Autosomes are the X, and allosomes are the X, and autosomes are the, you can represent with the alphabet A. So he conducted experiments on Drosophila melanogaster. It was proved in the Drosophila melanogaster. So here in females, see here, if X by A ratio, X by A, X means allosomes, A represents the autosome. This ratio is 1, then these flies should be sterile females. Sterile female Drosophila melanogaster. If the X by A ratio is 1, it means here see X double X by double X plus double A means double X plus 2A. That means 2X by 2A's means 1 by 1 is equal to 1, means 1.0. This is the represents the fertile females. Here are fertile females, not sterile. Fertile females. It means 2A. Here in such way 3X plus 3A. Autosomes are the 3. It means same. 3X by 3A is equal to 1. If genic balance, if it is a 1 means these flies are the fertile females. Flies are the fertile females. Next, how fertile males will be produced? I am now talking about the fertile males. Here X by A ratio should be 0.5. In such cases, these flies are the fertile males. In which cases, X by A ratio 0.5. It means X, Y by 2A. Here how many X is there? Only 1X is there. 1X by how many A's are there? I am writing 1. Here 2A, 2. Here it means 0.5. It represents the fertile male. In such way, one more X0 by 2A. Here how many X is there? 1. And how many A's are 2? Then it is the 0.5 is the fertile male. Here, in these two conditions, fertile female and fertile male, here XY chromosomes. In this, Y chromosome is not determine the sex of the fly. Sex of the fly. So here, which is but Y chromosome, X chromosome carries the special antigen binding RNA binding protein, that is the SXL. This is the RNA binding protein who is carrying, X chromosome carrying. But here see, Y chromosome is not a determining factor of maleness. Y chromosome not a determining factor of maleness, because of see here Y is there, here Y not there, even though it's the male, here also male. So Y is not a determining factor of maleness. Y is not a determining factor of maleness, but X can carry the RNA binding protein, that is the SXL. SXL. So C.V. Bridges again found that in different cases in the Drosophila melanogaster, the X by A ratio, if it is more than 1, it means more than 1 means 1.5. 1.5. These known as the meta females. Meta females. We call as the super females. We call as the super females. If X by ratio 1 more than 1.5, here 1 means normal female, more than 1.5 is a super female. It means more than 1.5 means it should be as a X by here autosomes and allosomes ratio is a 1.5 more will become, and moreover the X by A ratio that should be between the 0.5 to and below the 1. It means it's nearly 0.75 or the 7. These are called as the intersex. Intersex. X by A ratio 0.5 to between 1.0. That is the intersex. If X by A ratio, if allosome and autosome ratio, if it is in below 0.5, means less than 0.5. Less than 0.5 are the here meta males. Meta males. We call as the super males. Super males. In this concept, you should learn about the X by A ratio. If it is 1, that is a normal female. X by A ratio, if it is a 0.5, these are the males, normal males. If it is X by A ratio more than 1, meta male or the super female. Meta female or the super female. If X by ratio is below 0. Less than 0.5, that is the meta male or the super male. If it is between here 0.3, it means 3x's 3 by 4. 3x's by the 3a 4a is equal to 0.75. That is the intersex. So that is the reason Dodson, one more scientist, Dodson, scientist name Dodson, represent these super male and super female, these two called as the glamour boys and glamour girls in fly world, means Drosophila world. These are the glamour boys and glamour girls. In this, Dodson stated that super males and super females treated as a glamour boys and glamour girls in the fruit fly world. So here, if it is in objective, they may give double x by 2a. This should be 2 by 2 is equal to 1. This is the male. This is the male. If it is 3x, means they will give like this, x plus xx plus 2a. That is the male. That is the female. Or else x0 plus 2a, that is the 0.5 will come now, male, and intersects, they will give like this, triple x plus 4a, 0.7, that is the intersects, and what you call 1 by more than 1 and between below the 5, 0.5, these are the what you call metafemale and meta male. This is the genic balance theory which proposed by the Calvin Bridges in the 1926. Thank you.